Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to be talking about a potential avenue in which you can put your earnings from print on demand into in order to invest and potentially earn even more passive income. Introduce myself real quick just in case you're new here. Hi, my name is Katie, and on my channel I talk about my own print-on-demand journey so that I can share all my tips and tricks that I'm learning with you to make your print-on-demand journey just a little bit easier. Alright, without any further ado, let's dive right on into the video. So I don't know if you have noticed just yet, but lately YouTube has been absolutely blowing up with tons of videos based around cryptocurrency. Which would be, that Bitcoin thing that you've probably heard about periodically for the last few years or so. Well, I myself have watched a few of those videos and I've really enjoyed learning a bit more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. I think it's really quite fascinating. I remember hearing about it periodically throughout the last few years and just being, mildly amazed at how much the value of specific coins like Bitcoin have gone up, though it is certainly very volatile. And after doing some very surface level preliminary beginner's research, I have basically learned enough to form the opinion that I don't think that these cryptocurrencies are going to go away. In fact, I think they might end up eventually becoming very practically useful. As I'm sure many of you are aware, especially in the United States, due to the virus that has gone around the last year and the interesting government response to that, the Federal Reserve has made the money machines go burr, and they have continued and continued and continued until something like 40% of the entire US currency currently in circulation was minted in 2020. Now, this definitely raises concerns for inflation. How much are prices going to go up because the supply of bills and coins has gone up so drastically? And the potential answers to that question have been rightfully scaring quite a few people. So that is why a lot of them have been turning to placing their money into assets or investments such as real estate, the stock market, and even cryptocurrencies, in the hopes that their money will not just suddenly be devalued and they will not be able to purchase as much with the same amount of money as they had previously. So that is why they place their money into these investments or assets so that their money will continue increasing in value instead of decreasing, or at the bare minimum keeping pace with inflation. Real estate and stocks are pretty standard, though the barrier to entry to real estate is pretty high, especially in the expertise department, which leaves stocks for a lot of people and increasingly cryptocurrencies as well. So in the last few weeks, I myself have been learning more about this, and it's been pretty fascinating to discover just the number of crypto trading platforms that have been popping up. And maybe you're wondering, okay, well that's great, but cryptocurrencies obviously are extremely volatile, and they are in fact in a bull run market at the moment, which means eventually there likely will be some sort of correction or pullback in the crypto market, though when that will be is pretty hard to say. So here's where the part about passive income comes in. As I'm sure most of you who watch my channel are aware, that is why I'm such a big fan of print on demand, because there is no upfront risk. You do the work once, you upload it, and then that digital asset will continue, hopefully, to produce income for you for the foreseeable future without any additional maintenance work done by you, except of course to upload more designs. On the other hand, cryptocurrency involves a lot more risk. You have to put money on the table. But the part that I found particularly intriguing was that there are some cryptocurrency exchange platforms like BlockFi and Gemini that offer programs where you create an interest account, which means you put your money in, you buy crypto, and then those crypto coins earn you interest. But the crazy part of this is that that interest accrues and compounds daily at rates that go anywhere from 2 to 7.4%. Now, you'd be really hard-pressed to find any kind of APY like that for really any other type of account, especially savings accounts, which means that you can earn quite a lot of passive income potentially on the cryptocurrencies that you hold in those accounts. I think Gemini also has a calculator where you can see exactly how much you would earn based on which cryptocurrency you put your money in over however long you want to see, like how much interest you'd earn in a year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. And this interest is paid out every month, just like print-on-demand platforms that pay you your earnings every month. My philosophy on this is that I'm only going to put in what I am willing to lose. So if you are interested in looking into this crypto business a bit more and potentially creating an additional stream or two of passive income for yourself, then it is certainly something to look into. And for example, this platform is called BlockFi, and on it you can watch and or trade positions in the top 6 or 7 cryptocurrencies. I myself started using this platform, and it is where I discovered that you can in fact earn interest on the cryptocurrencies that you have purchased. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out yourself. But if, like me, and you are somewhat risk averse, then maybe only put in what you can afford to lose. So I myself am not exactly going to put my entire life savings into crypto just yet. However, even though the day-to-day of crypto is certainly extremely volatile, and my track record for timing the market is pretty dismal, since I believe that crypto is not going anywhere and in fact will become more valuable as the years go by, I am just shoving money into an account, buying some crypto, and leaving it there. I am not going to be particularly perturbed if there is a market correction, because I'm fairly confident that, similar to the stock market, the crypto market will eventually, over the long run, will continue to increase in value. And consistent with that approach, whenever there does end up being a dip or correction in, either the crypto market or the stock market, that is when I'm going to pour more money into it, because basically everything's on discount. Anyways, that is my plan. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Have you seen how many new YouTube videos there have been about crypto lately? Are you interested in it? Have you done any research? Are you maybe a holder of some of these cryptocurrencies? And what do you think about investing in these various coins? Oh, and I'm more likely to put money in more stable and well-known coins than meme coins like Doge. Because, like I said, my ability to time the market is, non-existent. but maybe you are much better at timing markets than I am and you have become a Doge millionaire. Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Alright, I will see you in the next one.